Practice set 5.5, question 1. In the figure, points X, Y, and Z are the midpoints of side AB, side BC, and side AC of triangle ABC respectively. AB is 5 cm, AC is 9 cm, and BC is 11 cm. We have to find the lengths of XY, YZ, and XZ. Now look at the figure here given. The points X, Y, and Z are the midpoints of these three sides of the triangle AB, BC, and AC respectively. Now they have given the length of this side, that side AB is 5 centimeter. Then they have given AC, that is 9 centimeter, and BC is 11 centimeter. We have to find the lengths of the sides of this triangle, that is XYZ, that is length of XY, YZ, and XZ. Now, how do we start this? We are seeing this triangle ABC. We know that X and Y are the midpoints of side AB and side BC respectively. Therefore, XY will be half of the third side. We took the sides AB and BC. Here see side AB and side BC. So AB and BC is done. Which is the third side? AC. Therefore, length of XY will be half of AC, that is half into AC. And how do we know this? This is got from midpoint theorem. So we write here midpoint theorem. Now we look in what is given. What is the length of AC? You see here AC is 9 centimeters. Therefore it is half into 9. And half of 9 is 4.5 centimeter. Therefore length of XY is 4.5 centimeters. So now we have found the length of XY. Okay, we have to find the other two lengths. Similarly, we will find the lengths of YZ and XZ. Now coming to the next one. In triangle ABC, Y and Z are the midpoints of side BC and side AC respectively. Therefore, YZ will be equal to, now it should be half of the third side, and the third side now is AB. Therefore, YZ is equal to half into AB. So we write here half into AB, and that is by midpoint theorem. And then we look at what is given. What is the length of AB? So seeing here, length of AB is 5 centimeters. So I put the length here, half into 5, which is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, length of YZ is 2.5 centimeter. Go back to the figure. Which side is left now? We have to find the length of XZ. So X and Z are the midpoints of side AB and side AC respectively. So that is what is written here. X and Z are the midpoints of side AB and AC respectively. Therefore, XZ is equal to, see this side XZ, it will be half of side BC, because now BC is the third side. And what is the length of BC? 11 centimeters. So we write here XZ is equal to half into BC by midpoint theorem, and length of BC we saw just now in given is 11. So half into 11, and half of 10 is 5. So half of 11 will be 5.5. So this will be 5.5 centimeter. So now we have got the lengths of all the three sides. XY 4.5 centimeter, YZ 2.5 centimeter and XZ 5.5 centimeter.